subscribe to the channel. If you want to see what I got here, watch the rest of the video leading up to this. Going to Wisconsin Dells here pretty soon. From that first clip, as you can see, we're gonna do some fun stuff today. But the neighbors mowing the lawn. Sorry about that noise, but see this view. I'm gonna talk about it every vlog until we leave. This view out here is great. But anyways, stop on the whip and drive down there. Back to the bus gang.
It's a pretty good start. I didn't even talk to you yet. I'm going board of trade building.
And car
was decorated with a stick of dynamite.
Hey, oh my god. I'm this tour guide. Top notch.
One of these two sitting on the front row. I'm sure one of them would love to tell us
trail down there.
One.
Little rock.
Before we have to stop and check for traffic first. We'll splash down another time. Oh, good thing we did with that jet boat coming. I'll let them pass. Once he stops to watch. We're gonna pass.
Hey Mom, that's the next thing of the day.
Alright, well as we enter the Wisconsin River Day, it might get a little bumpy, so with your left hand, place it on the seat in front of you, then take your right hand and plug your nose.
Oh yeah, we're floating, boys. Gotta touch that water. Officially in the water, boys. Jet boat's out of the guts on the front down there. And so are we.
Shoreline, it's that big rock peeking between those trees called Pulpit's Rock. It gets its name from a story about a traveling preacher that used to stand on top and give a sermon to people floating down the river. But often that sermon would be very boring and everyone would just fall asleep, which angered him. So he went to town and bought himself a baby grand piano to spice things up a bit, but still everyone kept falling asleep, and this made the preacher so mad that he started to jump up and down, up and down, up and down, until he accidentally broke the left side of the pulpit. When he'd seen what he'd done, he then pushed the baby grand piano off the right side. That's where it sits today, with its left leg still propped up against that pulpit, the keyboard facing the heavens.
Temptation.
Before, and it was also used as a waypoint marker for Native Americans as they went down this Wisconsin River.
Eagle outline. Jet boat's back, guys. Yep.
This 10-mile stretch of the Wisconsin River. This was $6 million in damages.
The river went up to that line right there. Not good. It's absolutely amazing. Links down below, guys. Coming up on the landing here. Let's see how smooth this guy is. Pretty smooth. Oh god. Oh yeah. And we're out. Now that's where you gotta boat around.
80-foot reservoir off on that right side to allow more water to spill through, so nothing like that would ever happen again. If you brought your cameras, I would recommend that now is the best time to take all your damn pictures. Everybody good?
Yeah. Good.
All right, we'll go in 3, 2, 1. Hold on tight.
We're gonna get soaked. Oh, we're sending it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Kidding about the tidal wave.
Thanks, you're absolutely very busy. Got one. Oh, there we go. You gotta put it in gear. Nobody's lived at that house in over 60 years. Makes sense.
Lakefront home sitting right here before they were all carried down to the river. It's just a good
here in the woods. Barely see them.
In training, I pulled up to this exact same spot right here. Thought to myself, why is there even a stop sign here if there's no traffic? So I thought, great idea. I would not stop at that stop sign. I would just slow down and go right around the turn. It was all great until I found out that my boss, Dan, was watching me from right behind this big tree right here. So as soon as I got back to the shop, he says to me, Grant, we need to have a talk. So I went to his office and I tried to explain to him that since there's no cars and no traffic in the woods, there's no need for a stop sign when you could easily just slow down. And he says to me, well, I'll show you why it's important. So he hopped in his red Suburban and drove all the way back up here. He then ripped that stop sign out of the ground, and I thought I was about to get my way. But instead he turned and he started hitting me over the head with it. I was yelling, Dan, stop, stop, stop. And he looks at me and says, Grant, should I stop or should I just slow down? Just don't care.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
Take that, Six Flags. You just want to cover your eyes.
Oh, keep
I
them
did
open,
mention
boys.
that today is my first day, right?
On the phone about levels, so you can get an idea of how steep this is.
This steep hill has a 50-foot drop on the right side, but have no fear because here at the original Wisconsin Ducks, we are all about safety. That's why I personally came out here and installed this steel mesh barricade.
Lake of the Dells right here. Oh God, we're really sending it. We'll send it, we'll send it.
Me, only 4 inches of wiggle room.
Heck yeah, man. Oh, missed. Here though. Got it.
If you're not
That red.
name was Curious Gorge, and he had a daughter too. Can't seem to remember her name right now, but I do remember that she was gorgeous.
Really know what the gorge jokes, bros. Look, right there. Look at that thing.
Hey, Bigfoot? Yeah, we got a couple of those.
Crackers. Oh, they broke one.
If you
Graveyard.
liked it and had a good time, again, my name was Grant, and if you didn't, tell them you rode with Truman. I will ask that everyone please remain seated as I pull back into the
It's a really fun tour. I got a cool hat at the end. We're gonna do some more fun. I attempted to get a GoPro in the mouth, but I don't know if they'll let me or not. So we'll just see what happens. Had to sneak you guys a little bit there. The go-kart video is coming out tomorrow, actually, so you can see that tomorrow. Now you're at the goody gumdrop with these little kids. Go get some ice cream. We'll have a good time. Just that good. We're gonna get the rest of our stuff. We'll head back. Alright guys, currently in 4th gear. I should not have that much slap. We'll slap her up in neutral here. See, this is neutral. We'll put it in the 3rd. Same thing. Oh my God, it's bad. It's bad.